This is a cube. You know what is a cube, correct? Okay, cubes, all sides equal, correct? Fine. So A, B, okay, A is the midpoint of this side, B is the midpoint of this side, okay, and C is the midpoint of this side. This becomes your, okay, so like for example, this AB. Now this triangle, let's say this point is O, yeah. So this triangle AOB becomes a 45, 45, 90 triangle. No, I say this right angle triangle. Similarly, because this is a right angle here, correct? Similarly, this is also a 45, 45, 90 BOC, correct? Because this is a right angle here. Okay, fine. Now the question is, measure of angle ABC. Don't prompt the answers. Measure of angle ABC.
90 degree.
I just said don't prompt the answers. Can't you understand?
Okay.
I just said. Yeah. Now.
So, is it 60 degree?
You know all the options, 45, 60, 90, those types, 180, those types. Okay, fine. So, measure of angle ABC. How many of you say 90 degrees? Raise your hand. Oh my God, so many. Okay, it's fine. Fine, thanks. You can lower your hands. Yeah. So, here, I'm just saying, 90 is a trap answer. Understand here, 90 will be there as one of the options. Okay, but understand the logic here. Then again, this is a question of visualization. You see, I'll come back to this question, but let's say if I want to find the measure of the angle between these two fingers, forget this question for the time being. If I want to find the measure of the angle between these two fingers, how do I find? This is the plane. I'll keep the protector in this plane and find this is the angle, correct? Okay. Can I say this is the angle? Can I say this is the angle between these two fingers? No, because I cannot change my plane. Yeah, the protector has to be kept in the same plane here, in the plane of these two fingers, correct? Here, can I measure it like this? This is the angle between these two fingers? No, I cannot do that. This is exactly what you're doing right now here. Those who say 90 is the answer when you add 45 plus 45, okay? First of all, understand, angle ABC is a part of triangle ABC, okay? Where is triangle ABC? Triangle ABC on this cube I will get only if I slice the corner of this, cube with a sword or with an X. Okay, I slice it off this corner. Okay, and then what I get here is this flat triangular surface. Okay, that is how I get to triangle ABC, which right now is an equilateral triangle. And this part here of this equilateral triangle is my triangle ABC, yeah, which has to be 60 degrees because it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, and this is my angle ABC. Or to get angle ABC, I have to first slice it out. I have to get to triangle ABC, then I get the angle ABC. Yeah.
So can you repeat this again?
Yes, I'm going to do that. So when you add, when those who got 90 as the answer, yeah, you are doing like this, 45 plus 45, so here to here 45, here to here 45. Can you measure it like that? This angle, no, this angle has to be measured from here, correct? From here. This has to be the plane of the angle, no? On a paper, when you draw an angle, yeah, you'll keep the protector on the paper, no? In the same plane. Can you say that angle is this plus this plus this? No, you cannot do that. You cannot change the plane. Okay, so those who said 90 is the answer, they changed the plane, 45 plus 45. In fact, initially in the original cube, you could not even see angle B. To see angle B, you have to slice it out, this corner, get to triangle ABC, yeah, And then you can see this angle B, which has to be measured. Correct? Now you realize, oh yeah, it makes sense. Okay? This approach, is called the approach of visualization. Everything is not directly, will be shown directly, evidently to you in the form of a diagram, especially it's a 3D figure. 2D may still it's easy to draw and all, but in 3D, what do you do? And not only in solid geometry, because it's a 3D geometry, in general, you have to visualize. Whenever I want to draw a diagram, I have to visualize things. John went 90 miles up, then he took a 45-degree turn. Yeah, then he started walking, he took a left turn, then he started walking in the west direction. So how do I understand the question? Unless I visualize, I don't understand the question. I have to visualize every now and then. Visualization has to be there. Okay, A and B are working simultaneously. So everything has to be visual. If there is a real world situation, word problems, real life situations, two cars are coming in the opposite direction, you have to visualize. Then only be able to relate, oh, this is what is happening. Okay, so visualization is a subtle part of a lot of questions. Kajal is asking, how do we know it's an equilateral triangle? Kajal, I just said, no, it's a cube, all sides are equal. Then I said these are all midpoints of the sides. I did that. I told you that. A, B, C are the midpoints of the sides. So everything is in symmetry, no? Everything is equal from everywhere. Correct? That's how I know it's an equilateral triangle.
सर अगर ये इसको स्लाइस नहीं करते अपन तो ये प्रिज्म जैसा ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता ना अंदर में
बराबर